Hey guys, this is a remake of this. You remember? So I'm gonna act like I buy it. I'm gonna act like I've trying this for the first time. So yeah, here we go. Guys, I got this. I finally got this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Right. Guys, I cannot believe I got this. Oh, what's this? Oh, we need that. So, look, I have the copies of progress bars. I cannot believe I have all of it. What is this? Oh, it's like instructions. Okay, what's installation instructions? There's two of it. Progress bar instructions and installation instructions. We're going to do the installation instructions. Select the progress bar you want. Next, put the progress bar next to your PC. Your PC will restart. It will take seconds to finish. Okay, guys, I'm going to get my PC. Alright, guys, I got it right here. What the heck? Oh. Anyways, guys, that's off. Anyways, we're going to do the installation. So, first, select a... Okay, which one should I use? Let's go for progress bar largehorn. Okay. We're going to admin. Let's go store. Yeah, these are the progress bars. Oh, yeah. Oh, large one. Let me see if it's the same thing. It looks like, yes, it looks just like the same thing. Almost the same thing. Okay, let's put it near. Okay, it will restart. Okay, guys, it will restart. Oh my god, guys! What the heck? Oh my god, guys. Progress bar largehorn. What? I don't need this anymore. What the heck, guys? I have progress bar largehorn. Whoa! What the heck, guys? I have progress bar largehorn. Is this progress bar largehorn for real? Let's see. It is! Oh my god, guys. This is progress bar largehorn for real. Right, guys, thanks for watching for this video. Yeah, see you soon.